Welcome back to Aero Auto Defense, the channel where we explore the latest innovations in aviation, military technology, and the future of defense systems. If you love learning about advanced aircraft and cutting-edge drones, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our upcoming videos. Today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting projects in modern air power, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat from Australia. This aircraft is not a traditional fighter jet or a simple drone. It is something new, something that changes how air forces think about future combat. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat is also called the Loyal Wingman. This name explains its role. It is designed to fly alongside manned fighter jets like the F-35 Lightning II or the F/A-18 Super Hornet. While human pilots focus on critical missions, the Ghost Bat can provide support, extra firepower, electronic warfare, and even act as a shield in dangerous situations. Developed by Boeing Australia in partnership with the Royal Australian Air Force, the MQ-28 is the first military aircraft to be designed and manufactured in Australia in more than 50 years. That alone makes it a historic achievement for the country's aerospace industry. The Ghost Bat is around 38 feet long with a wingspan of about 24 feet. It is powered by a jet engine and has a range of over 2,000 miles, which makes it perfect for long missions. What really makes it special is its artificial intelligence. The MQ-28 can make independent decisions in flight, avoid threats, and complete its mission without needing constant instructions from the pilot. Another impressive feature is its modular design. The aircraft has a special nose section that can be swapped out depending on the mission. It could carry sensors for surveillance, electronic jammers, or even weapons. This flexibility allows the same aircraft to perform different roles with minimum changes. Australia is not only building the Ghost Bat for its own air force. The project has also attracted international attention. The United States and the United Kingdom have both shown interest in the concept. In the future, we may see the Ghost Bat or similar Loyal Wingman drones working alongside Allied fighter jets across the world. The biggest advantage of the MQ-28 is cost. Compared to a manned fighter jet, it is much cheaper to build and operate. This means air forces can deploy larger numbers of Ghost Bats to support fewer manned aircraft, creating a more powerful and flexible air combat team. The Ghost Bat represents the future of teamwork between humans and machines in the sky. It is fast, smart, and designed to take risks that would be too dangerous for pilots. With its development moving forward, the next generation of air power may rely as much on Loyal Wingman as on traditional fighter jets. That wraps up our look at the MQ-28 Ghost Bat. What do you think about the idea of drones fighting side by side with human pilots? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Aero Auto Defense for more deep dives into the world of aviation and defense technology.